Hello, this is Lulu and this is my PHP assignment, which is the PHP forum or the wall page. So let's try to register a user. Let's try to use the dan username. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's try to click register. So it indicates that the username already exists. So let's try a new one. New. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So registration is successful. So let's try to log in the user. New and password will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So if the login is successful, it will redirect to the home page. So this is the home page, wherein you can post a message. So let's try to post a message. Hello, for example. Let's try to post. So in here it is posted. So if the message or the reply for the user who posted it, he or she only had the privilege or the action to delete his or his own message. So if others, he cannot delete it. So let's try to add a reply to the Dandan's comment message. So reply. That is the reply function. So let's go to the code. So this is the index page, which is the index page. Very long. Let's try just to set the font bigger. So much more readable. This is my code. Which is in here the form, login form, and in here the register. All of them are, the action is the process.php. So let's go to that page, process.php. So if the isset post login, which means the login button has been set, so it will run the login function. So let's go first to the login function. This is the login function. So in here, index.php is the page where it would be redirected. So there is also a verification for user and password must not be empty. So if there's no error, so it will go to this part. It will login. It will check if the inputted username and password is existing in the database. So if it's not now, it means it exists. So it will add the new session, the user ID, email, username, login. So it will redirect it to the home page, home.php, and else it will print invalid. So let's go to the home.php. So this is the code of the home.php. So session start. If session login is set and it's true, it will run this. If it's not set, session will be destroyed and redirected to index.php. So yeah, that's it. So in here, this is the section for the posting of new messages. We could just check in the present PHP. Let's check the posting of messages code. So I think it's in post function. So in here, the post function. This is the code for the field must not be empty for just a verification. If there's no error, it will run this function. So and so forth. All of the functions there are some all of the forms there are some verifications. I think if there's no in here, I've used MySQL escape string for the MySQL injection to prevent it. And let's go to the reply function. So this is the reply function. It will redirect it back to the home.php. So ID verification. If it's not null, so it will get the post ID, which is the primary key ID of the message posted. So for it to be saved in the replies table in the database. So that's it. This is also the delete, for which the only the user who posted the message or reply can delete his or her message. Yeah, the delete query. So the delete. The first one is the delete post, and the other one is the delete reply. So that's it. Thank you.